front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. All you need to do is go into settings and hit Bluetooth right away. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and then select Pair. Now either wait for the device to accept your connection request, or if it's another smartphone or a tablet, accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you wanna manage this connection, use this gear next to your device and tap on this switcher next to Internet Access to turn it on or off. Hit Rename to change its name, and OK to save your changes. Lastly, tap on Unpair at the bottom and wait. If you wanna reconnect, click on it again and select Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!